Welcome to my channel. I have loads of inspirations for you. My name is Juliet Migwi, and on this channel I normally share with you my DIY home decor tips as well as my life hacks. I hope my inspirations inspire you. I'm always so excited when you show up and watch one of my videos. For home decor, most of the time we do things that are easy and on budget. We do home tours, we have home makeovers and furniture makeovers using old pieces, second-hand pieces or thrifted pieces, and anything you might have in your home. We also have how-to tips and DIY creation videos for home decor and also organization of your home. And we have a lot of these for both the interior and the exteriors of your home. And for my own personal life, I share with you on the things that have made my life easier as I share my life hacks. Once in a while, I also share with you the set scene videos that are my inspirations and reflections on my life, family, travel, hopes, dreams, and the legacy I hope to inspire even as I grow in my faith. And I hope as I do that, I inspire you with yours. I hope by now you have subscribed and pressed the notification bell, and we hope to see you on my next video. I'll also be so grateful because you'll be now part of my YouTube family. You've subscribed, right? I'm seeing you on the next video, right? God bless you. Baraka Tele. Until next time.